FosPower Timer Outlet, an LCD digital indoor outlet timer review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same timer outlet, there's Amazon links below this video for USA, Canada, and the UK. So first, I'd like to go through the unboxing. This is what the timer looks like. It has two outlets on each side so you can power two devices at once. It's a very sturdy design, very compact. It lasts a long time. I've actually bought about 10 of these outlets so far for myself because I love them so much and have everything on my house on timers, especially during the Christmas holidays. They're perfect for Christmas trees, lamps, Christmas villages, and more. So let's go through some of the functionality that you get with this timer outlet. It gives you full control over what you want to do with your lights and fixtures, when you want to turn them on and when you want to turn them off. You can actually individually program up to 10 programs, and these go through very different settings. You can go every day, every other day, weekly, weekends, 3 days at a time, and so forth, with all the different programming settings. I can actually, what I do with mine is I do one program for the morning and one program for night. So I have my Christmas tree turn on in the morning for a couple hours and at night. You can do that with the multiple program sets you can do, as up to 10 you can do on this one. It also has a random function to keep your home safe. So if you're away out and about or you're on vacation and when you want your lamps to turn on and off randomly throughout the day between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m., you can do that with the random function button on this timer. This timer is very quiet. There's no ticking sounds like those traditional timers that have pegs you gotta put in, pull them up and down. So it's very quiet. The display is large and easy to understand. It comes with instructions for first time setup, so it's very simple to set up the timer, and as I mentioned, it's super sturdy. I bought so many of these because they're great quality and they last a long time. Sometimes I put my timers in storage when I'm not using them and the battery stays powered the whole time and the time is still accurate. They also have a US-based customer support team and a limited lifetime warranty. So far, I'm highly impressed with the FosPower timer outlet, and I think you'll be too. If you want to get these timer outlets for yourself at a fantastic price, check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.